Where we've identified PFAS contamination, we've reduced those exposures immediately.
PFAS continuing to wreak havoc on Michigan water. The Great Lakes state now leading the nation with more than 49 PFAS-contaminated sites. It's something Steve Sliver says the state is not taking lightly.
What the public really needs to know is that we are methodically prioritizing where we're looking and identifying those exposures, and if there is contamination in their community, we will work with them. We will get them on a remedy so that they aren't drinking contaminated water if it's contaminated, and we'll keep them informed on how we are investigating and eliminating those sources.
Sliver is the executive director of Michigan's PFAS Action Response Team. He and other panelists appearing at a water summit in Lansing, educating the public on where the PFAS problem stands. A big focus at today's summit was exactly how people are getting exposed to the PFAS. There's two main ways. One, by drinking contaminated water, and two, by eating contaminated animals like fish. The CDC says it's still unclear what effect PFAS exposure has on humans, but some studies have shown numerous health risks, including an increased risk of cancer.
Now we have a wide variety of chemicals, a large number of different chemicals, and all of them have very different properties.
Susan Maston says she's been working on drinking water treatment since 1979. Currently a professor at Michigan State University, Maston says this is going to be very challenging to eliminate, but not impossible. In fact, the U.S. has banned PFOA and PFOS. Those are what's known as legacy compounds.
Blood levels of those chemicals, those have actually decreased significantly of those two chemicals because they're no longer being used. So that's the alternative. You just stop using chemicals that are difficult to degrade.
In Lansing, Ashlyn Hill, WNEM TV5.